Dear students, happy morning. Today I would like to explain you about 21st century skills which you are supposed to know, which you are supposed to learn, and those are very important in our academic endeavors or career. Some of you may be knowing what are 21st century skills. So those are known as 4 C's. 21st century skills are known as 4 C's. What do you mean by that? 4 C's. First C, collaboration. Second C, communication. Third one is creativity. Fourth one is critical thinking. In this modern society, in this century, one must cooperate with others. One must work efficiently in a team. One must be fit in any kind of team to work together to achieve objectives. So that's why cooperation, that is collaboration, is very, very important. So working together to reach a goal, to achieve a common objective or a desirable goal, putting talents together, expertise they have together, and working in a smart way. So that we call it as collaboration. So you must work together. You must share your talents together. You must put all your expertise skills together in order to achieve a common objective or a goal. So the first one is collaboration. So that means you must be able to fit in a team. You must be able to work others. And so that is called as collaboration. Second one is communication. So sharing thoughts, ideas, and solutions, raising questions when there is a need, and putting them in a proper way of communication is important. So that how do you communicate your ideas? So you should develop a skill in such a way others should love to listen to you. That is the best communication skill. So when you are speaking, they like to listen. They love to listen. We have seen some political leaders. People are fond of the speeches of some political leaders because those political leaders communicate in such a way that they reach the level of the audience. So you must communicate your ideas in such a way others can understand so easily. You must communicate in such a way the others like to listen to you, and your idea must be presented in such a way that others feel that may be the best idea. So that is the best way of communication, maybe verbal or non-verbal, whatever it may be, but you must be a good communicator. So third one is creativity, very important. When you go in a way others are moving, what is the use? You must find out a better solution, an alternate solution, which others are not able to find out, that will give more benefit. That is called as creativity. So creativity means thinking in a different way. That should be useful, and that is creativity. Trying new approaches to get things done, and so that innovation. So, and if you follow what everybody is following, what is the use? What is the fun in the life? What is the challenge in the life? What joy will you get? So you find out an alternate way, an innovative way, and produce a result in such a way that that gives more benefit to the organization. And so where others did not find that solution or that product. So that we call it as creativity, innovative thinking, lateral thinking, thinking out of box. Then the last one is critical thinking, looking at problems in a new way, linking learning across subjects and discipline, integrating what you have known from classroom and applying that in different approaches and thinking out of the box. So what we call it as lateral thinking. So what are the new ways of finding a solution to the problem? So thinking that we call it as lateral thinking. So that like that you develop these four C's: collaboration, communication, creativity, critical thinking. These are known as 21st century skills. And acquire these skills, learn these skills, and be successful in the life, derive pleasure and happiness from your life, and lead your life with utmost satisfaction. And all the best. God bless you.